Hey guys, Nikki today with Vapor Honing Technologies. We have a piston out of a Mustang. Obviously you can see that it's got lots of carbon on it. It's very dirty. We're going to use a combination of abrasives, glass bead aluminum oxide mix. The reason I'm using that is because the glass bead is going to flow over the surface. It's going to give us a beautiful finish. But the aluminum oxide is going to help speed up the process and remove the corrosion because it has the sharp edges to it as opposed to glass bead, which is round. So this is going to give us the opportunity to inspect this part to see if there's any damages to it, any cracks. A lot of cases you're not able to reuse the piston, but this will give us an idea of what condition this part's in because we're going to get it cleaned and restored to its like new finish. So stay tuned, we're going to get you some more information. Okay, so that literally took us only a minute or two. As you can see, this part, this is the first half we've done. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to look like new. It's going to give us an idea of the ring area. It's also going to let us take a look at the skirt, make sure everything's cool. It removed all of the carbon on here. Again, making this look new. This is easy. Anybody can do it. We're using water and abrasive to flow over the surface. There's no damage. It's not going to remove any materials, and this is going to leave you a like new finish. Look how new that part looks. All smooth surfaces, we're able to do the threaded areas. We're not removing material. This is going to be fast and easy. It's going to change the way you do business in your shop. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 828-202-5563. Also follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Speaking of YouTube, we do a live YouTube chat every week, so please tune in. Let us know what questions you have and how we can be of service. Hope you like what you've seen today. Again, visit us on our website, call us, or you can email us. Thank you so much.